my friend.
Hello!
And
I'm a tourist in LA! That's why I have this LA hat!
Yeah.
I have to vent about something. Why do boys always keep that stupid thing on their hat? The sticker. You're supposed to take that off, yo! Alright. If you know, comment this and tell me. I don't understand.
I don't understand that either.
Yeah, by the way, this isn't my hat. No, no.
ahead.
You want to try a different box?
No.
I don't understand.
This is Marco's hat. Sorry, Marco, if you see this. But yeah, I don't understand why you keep that on there. That just looks ridiculous.
Yeah, wait, is it supposed to keep, like, authenticity?
It's a hat.
I wonder if you want to sell it.
eBay. Photoshop the sticker in there. Duh.
That's... But then once you give it to the people...
Wait, is that illegal?
Yeah.
Only me.
Okay, here.
We're eating
see if
macaroons.
We're eating cookies. Yummy.
Here, see if the guys outside want any of these.
And we're camping.
Yo, boys, do you want some cooks?